I'm Yasmin, creative designer here at Sizzix. Today I'm going to show you how to make a miniature photo album, which is really quick and easy to make and makes a great gift for one of your friends and family. Here's how I made it. To start off with, you'll need 2 strips of card, which are 8cm by 24.5. Once you've cut your pieces of card out, just grab your ruler and then mark every 8cm. Once you've marked with a pencil, just carefully fold over, press down and turn around and fold over again. So it's like a spring effect. With your glue gun, just pop some glue down and then grab the other piece of card and you want to lock it in like this. So it creates an even longer piece of card for when you create your book. You want to then move on to doing the front and back cover of your book. So grab your piece of material. This needs to be 2cm bigger than the square. So my square is 8cm by 8cm and the piece of fabric is 10cm by 10cm. So what you want to do is place down your card in the centre, grab your glue gun, place down and then fold over the material. And then with the end pieces, you want to wrap like you would do a gift. So fold the inside down and then fold over. This is so it looks nice and neat. Once you've created the front and back pieces to your book, you want to cut a piece of ribbon around this length. And then what you're going to do is just put some glue down and then place the ribbon on top to secure. You then want to move on to cutting the images out to put inside of your book. I've decided to use a circle thinlet and cut out my images like this. Once all the images are cut for inside of the booklet, you then want to move on to the front cover. So I've done a small design that says "Memories that last forever." So again, using the same size thinlet, just pop this there and then pop the thinlet on top. I'm going to begin by doing the front cover first by popping some glue down and then placing my card down and then popping the white card on top. I'm now going to glue my images inside of the book. So in total you'll need 8 images. And then flipping the book over, do the same on the other side. For the final touch, you then just want to tie into a small bow. Thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, which is sizzix.co.uk, where you'll find more videos just like this.